Ciao and welcome to my channel. I'm Ambra and today I've made a lesson on Italian pronunciation. I'll teach you how to say gu in Italian and I'll give you a lot of popular words with this sound. So as well as your pronunciation, you'll improve also your Italian vocabulary. Remember to stay until the end of the video, cause there is a little bit of practice as well. And now let's start. Cominciamo! In Italian, the way you say the letter G depends on the letters that follow. In these two lessons, I told you how to say the sounds gli and gn, so check them out if you haven't already. Anyway, today I want to show you the sound gu and how to say it the right way. It's very simple and it always follows the same rule. Here you go. This is the general rule. In Italian, when followed by the vowel U, the letter G always gets a hard sound. Listen and repeat with me. Gu, gu, gu. Note that G and U are pronounced as separate letters, so make sure you clearly say the U as well. Let's see now some examples. In the following words, you have a consonant after the sound gu, so it's very easy to say it. Listen to the way I pronounce it. Gufo, gufo is the owl. Gusto, gusto means taste. Figura, figura is an illustration or a picture. Gufo, gusto, figura. In the next example, the sound gu is followed by the vowel A, which in Italian is a, a. So again, you pronounce all these three as separate letters, like this. Gua, gua. Let's read these words together. Guanti, guanti means gloves. Guardare, guardare is the verb to watch. Lingua, lingua is the tongue. Guanti, guardare, lingua. Let's move on to the sound gue, gue. Here you are some popular words. Guerra, guerra, it's the word. Lingue, lingue, refers to the languages that you speak, for example, Italian, English, French, and so on. Sangue, sangue means blood. Guerra, lingue, sangue. The next three examples have the sound gui, gui. Guida, guida means guide. Pinguino, pinguino is the penguin. And inseguire, inseguire is the Italian verb to chase. Guida, pinguino, inseguire. Last three words are with the sound guo, guo, but they are less common than the one we've seen before. Let's read them together. Seguo, seguo is from the verb to follow and means I follow. Ambiguo, ambiguo is an adjective to say that something is ambiguous, not clear. Contiguo, contiguo is also an adjective and literally means contiguous. You can use it to say that two things are close to each other. Seguo, ambiguo, contiguo. Okay, and now it's your turn. Try to read the following words. I'll give you a few seconds. Ready to check? I'll read them for you so you can see. Liguria, Liguria is a region in the north of Italy. Guaio, guaio means mess, trouble. If you don't know, che guaio is a very popular expression to say what a mess. Then we have uguale, uguale, that means identical. You can use it to refer to things that are the same or very alike. Moving on, canguro, canguro is the kangaroo, and legumi, legumi is a generic term to refer to different types of beans. The next one is a verb, guarire, guarire means to heal. It's for when you recover from a illness or an injury. Then the word guasto, guasto, is to say that something's broken or out of order. And finally we have yogurt, yogurt, that's the same as in English and means yogurt. Note that the Italian pronunciation is different from the English one. It's yogurt, no yogurt. Liguria, guaio, uguale, canguro, legumi, guarire, guasto, yogurt. This was everything for today. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please give me a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to improve your Italian pronunciation, check out also my lessons on the sound GN and Gli in Italian. Bye for now, a presto, ciao!